Today I'll be showing you guys how to easily make a Roblox YouTube thumbnail, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step is you have to join this game called Catalog Avatar Creator, and you could make your avatar be anything because you can try out faces and hair for free. So yeah, it depends what type of thumbnail you guys are making, but you can basically be anything. It can even be whatever this thing is, but anyways. Yeah, so once you have your avatar, you go down here to effects, and then you can make your pose become anything. So I'll just make an example. Alright, so once you guys have your pose that you want for your thumbnail, you go to settings. Once you're in settings, go to environment, and then you want the green screen environment. And then once you do this, you can hide the UI, so then you have a easy screen to screenshot, and then yeah, you just take a screenshot. Before we create our YouTube thumbnail, we have to render our image first. So all you do is you put the image that you took a screenshot of, put into ChatGPT, and then ask it to render your Roblox avatar. And then once it gives you the image, you just download it. Once you've downloaded the rendered image, you go into CapCut. This is where I edit my thumbnails. So first thing you'll want to add is your background, and before you do anything else, you want to change the ratio to custom. Change it to 1280 by 720 because that's the resolution for YouTube thumbnails, and then hit save. Once you change the resolution, make sure that your image is cropped properly the way you want it to be, and then you put in your rendered avatar. And then to remove the green screen, go to remove background, chroma key, then color picker, and then you select the green area, and then it's gone. You could even increase the intensity if there's still some green. Should be good. Once all the green's gone, go to basic, and then just scale it the way you want your thumbnail to be. Add some shekels, and you do the same process. Do this, increase the intensity. Okay, should be fine. Put this right here, unicorn, and do this. But if you have Pro, then you can do auto removal. And I have Pro, but since I'm doing a free method, I'm just gonna do the chroma key instead. Show you guys that you can do it without Pro. But I have Pro just added in my videos as well, so put this here. You can still see some of the background. So even though the shekels is gonna be kind of chopped, but this video is just gonna be an example. This super watering can, and then yeah, do the same thing. There you go. I'll actually put this behind, so I'm gonna do this. So it's behind everything. Then yeah, just fix everything you want it to be. Even rotate it as well. Increase this. My method of text. So let's just say I don't know, best shekels method. I don't know if this is like a tutorial on how to get the best shekels, then this is my title. And then actually I'm gonna space this out, so then it's like this, so I can make the text bigger. So once you do this, the font that I use is modern. Then you do this preset style, increase the thickness to around 60, and then you add a shadow to it, and it looks like this. Alright, so once you guys have your thumbnail ready and it's done, you press the 3 lines, and then you press this export still frames, and then it just exports the image that you're on. And it should be the same for everything because it's not a video, it's an image. So yeah. And this is the finished product. You can also use other apps to like add effects to it, or even ask ChatGPT, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to like and subscribe.